Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic foreign exchange rate. Okay. So first question is that why we need foreign exchange? As when we do export and import of goods. Okay. For example, if we are living in Rajasthan, okay, and we export something to Punjab. We can say as Rajasthan is very famous in minerals and Makrana marble is very famous all over the world. Okay, so we are exporting marble to the Punjab state. Okay, so how Punjab will do payment? In our own currency only, means in rupees. Okay, so when we export marble to Punjab, then Punjab do payment in Indian rupees only. So export and import of one state with other state is in our own currency only, or we can say that export and import of goods between the countries. Export and import of under the country means this is India, and in India there are many states, and when they do export and import with each other, then the payment is done in the Indian rupees only. But now the question came that if one country export or import something to other country, then how payments are done? In old time, what was there, when there was no currency in the system, then the export and import between the country was done on the in term of gold. Okay, means what was there? A gold was taken and the value of gold was decided. Value of gold was decided. Okay, and all country do payment in gold only. Whenever one country export and import to other country, then the value means the payment will be in gold only. But with the changing of time, it was observed that there is lack of gold, or with the currency when we compare gold, then the demerits of gold was that every country is not necessary that they have this much gold, there is lack of gold, and second, that the currency value in term of gold cannot be determined. Okay, so it was difficult to determine the value of currency in term of gold. So there was the difficulty in exchange. So in Bretton Woods system, there was a conference at the international level, and in conference it was decided that instead of gold, currency should be determined, means the US dollar was decided as a medium of exchange between the countries. Okay, means all the country currency should be determined on the basis of dollar. Okay, so dollar become the currency of exchange. Okay, so why we need foreign exchange? It means whenever we do export and import, then we have to pay money in foreign currency, in term of foreign currency. Okay, in term of foreign currency means at an international level now payment are done in term of dollar, so we should pay rupees in dollar term. Okay, so what is exchange rate? The rate at which domestic currency can be exchanged for a foreign currency is known as foreign exchange. What is foreign exchange? The rate at which domestic currency can be exchanged for a foreign currency is known as foreign exchange. Okay, means when we exchange our domestic currency with foreign currency and at which rate we exchange, that is called foreign exchange. Example, we import something from other country, or we can say when we export to other countries, then we take payment in terms of dollar only, okay? And when we import something, then also we do payment in dollar terms, okay? So how dollar value was decided? For example, and if we see in term of our own currency, Indian rupees, then US dollar 1 is equal to 50 rupees. At present it is 73, okay? So whenever we will purchase good of $1, then in Indian terms we will pay 50 rupees, okay? So the value was decided on the basis of this, that every country have to pay in term of dollar only, means exchange will be done in dollar only. So the rate at which currency was exchanged with foreign currency was called foreign exchange rate, and it is needed for the export and import of goods and services in the international market, okay? Basically, the purchasing and buying of foreign reserve, we can say foreign exchange, is done by the RBI. RBI play a very important role in purchasing and buying foreign reserves, or we can say foreign exchange. Whenever we do payments in international market, then RBI, it is all the payment handled by the RBI, okay? Because RBI changed the rupees, Indian rupees in dollar terms, okay? So this is our foreign exchange rate, okay? This was the meaning of foreign exchange rate. What is foreign exchange rate? Okay? It is the rate at which domestic currency is exchanged in foreign currency, okay? So as we, this is the example of Indian rupees. Like this only, every country exchange their own rupees in term of dollar only, okay? This shows the value of our currency. If we are paying 50 rupees, means 60, now 70 rupees, then at present time we can see that our Indian rupees is value is less compared to dollar. If we pay 30 rupees, that means our rupees is strong in international market. If we are paying now 73 rupees, it means our Indian rupees value is weak, and if we pay less, then our rupees is strong, okay? So this show the value of Indian rupees. Also we can see when we compare our Indian rupee with the dollar, okay? Now we will discuss the system of foreign exchange. System of foreign exchange. Okay, basically there is two systems of foreign exchange. One is fixed exchange rate system, and the second is flexible exchange rate system. Flexible exchange rate system. Okay, and fixed exchange rate means it remains fixed, okay? There is no change in fixed exchange rate, okay? But in flexible, as the name suggests, flexible exchange rate, there is some adjustment can be done, okay? But it is on the basis of government only, okay? One country can do on their own basis. If we are suffering from the deficit, then we can devalue our currency. If we want to increase the value of our currency, then we can do revaluation. So it will depend on our situation, that a government will see country situation, and on the basis of that the government will decide, okay? But in fixed exchange rate, no change can be done. It is fixed in the international market and it remains fixed, but it can be adjust on the basis of demand and supply in the international market. Okay, it is can be adjust only on the basis situation of demand and supply in the international market, but this is can be adjusted by the government of a country. Okay, so that in detail this fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate we will discuss in the next video. Okay, today we will discuss about only the meaning of foreign exchange rate, and details of this fixed and flexible we will discuss next video. So watch the video, also read from your book. Any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.